join in the meantime. I'm going to start off with this short introduction of what Crypto Fortune is. So I'm just muting everyone for the sake of the recording. So yes, welcome everyone, and we will get into the details after these. There's two videos I want to play you first. So then we can dive into the deeper detail. Thank you.
333% daily. To most people, that sounds like a red flag. In the traditional world, you'd be right to be skeptical. But let me be super clear, this isn't a trading company. There are no secret bots, no mysterious CEOs, and definitely no black box investments you have to blindly trust. Crypto Fortune runs as a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol. No middlemen, no funny business. It's all managed by an immutable smart contract. The whole thing is powered by the global community. Here, rewards come strictly from participation, not some magic trading formula. Let's tackle the big question: is this a Ponzi? Here's the difference. Classic Ponzis have hidden ledgers and secret leaders, but here in Crypto Fortune, the code is public, and code is law. And anyone can check the contract balance live on the blockchain. Total transparency, no secrets. Plus, the protocol is global. That means while you're sleeping, someone on the other side of the world is participating. Liquidity flows in and out constantly, around the clock. This isn't a system that pauses or sleeps. And about that 3.33%, it's not trading profit, it's a programmed reward for each 30-day participation cycle. The math is hard-coded, and nobody, not even the creators, can mess with it. You use your SafePal wallet to interact directly with the smart contract. Each day, like clockwork, your reward is triggered and paid out automatically. At Team FIB 777, we don't make wild guesses, we just follow the protocol. So, instead of hunting for risky investments, maybe it's time to understand how decentralized technology really works. Now, take a second to read the financial disclaimer on screen. Crypto always carries risk. Never put in more than you can afford to lose, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Kindly get back to the person who sent you this video.
Alright, there's the one video. Let me get to the other one. This is a complete overview of the PDF.
Let's break down the presentation for a platform that's been making some noise, Crypto Fortune. We're going to walk through exactly what they're promising, what they say is powering it all, and of course, how they claim you can make money. And just to be clear, everything we're looking at today comes straight from their own materials. Okay, so where do we begin? Let's start with how Crypto Fortune introduces itself. They call it a community-driven solution for making money in this, futuristic digital economy. They really lean on three big words right out of the gate: automation, transparency, and immutability. Keep those in mind because we'll see them pop up again. So that brings us to our first section, the Crypto Fortune Promise. Let's dig into what they're actually putting on the table here. What's the big vision? So they lay out both a mission and a vision. The mission, they say, is all about giving people the power to earn from the blockchain with a system that's simple and trustworthy. But then you have the vision, and that's way more ambitious. They're talking about becoming a global leader in this space, making this kind of income a real possibility for anyone, anywhere, and, pushing for financial freedom for all. Okay, that's a big promise. So how do they say they'll pull it off? Well, they've got what they call their 4 key pillars. They're saying it's 100% automated with smart contracts. It's 100% transparent because you can see everything on the blockchain. And here's the kicker. They claim it's 100% decentralized with no admin, no single person or company in charge. All right, let's move on. Now we're going to peek under the hood and look at the tech they say is making all of this work. The whole thing, they say, is built on what's called a smart contract. And you can see the definition right there, but really, what is it? Think of it like a digital vending machine. It's an agreement written in code that just runs itself. The whole point is to automate everything and get rid of the middleman. In theory, that makes things more secure and way more efficient. So what's this smart contract running on? Well, they've chosen the Binance Smart Chain. And their presentation gives 5 specific reasons. Why? We're talking low transaction fees, super fast transactions, like around 3 seconds. It's easy to use, it's part of a huge trusted ecosystem, and it's a secure and reliable network. At least, that's the claim. Okay, so we've covered the promises and the tech, but let's be real. The big question on everyone's mind is, how do you actually make money with this thing? So let's get into the earning mechanisms. And here it is, the headline number that jumps right off the page, 3.33%. This is what they're presenting as your daily return on investment for up to 30 days. So how does it work? Well, the investment is laid out in 3 cycles. The first cycle, you can put in anywhere from $10 to $500. Finish that 30-day term, and boom, you unlock the second cycle, where the limit jumps to $2,000. And if you complete that one, you get to the third and final cycle with a $5,000 limit. Now for all 3, the core promise is exactly the same, that 3.33% daily return, and they say you get your initial investment back after the 30 days are up. But wait, there's more. This is where things get interesting, because the model isn't just about your own investment. They introduce 2 other ways to earn, and both are all about team building. You've got referral income and rank rewards. Let's take a look at how this referral system is set up. On the left here, you can see the breakdown of what you earn from your referrals, and it goes down a whopping 20 levels, starting at 5% for the people you bring in directly. But on the right, you see there's a catch. To unlock those deeper levels, you have to hit certain targets. You need to increase your own investment and get a specific number of direct referrals. And that brings us to the last way they say you can earn, a rank and reward system. This one's pretty straightforward. It's an 8-level system where you get one-time bonuses for hitting team-building milestones. It starts small, with a $50 bonus for hitting Explorer, but it goes all the way up to a $10,000 bonus if you can reach the top rank, Victor. So that covers the how you earn part. This leads us to the final piece of the puzzle. How do you actually get started? What steps does the presentation lay out? Okay, so getting started is laid out in 4 clear steps. Step 1, download a Web3 wallet. That's basically your digital wallet for crypto. Step 2, you've got to fund that wallet with 2 specific cryptos. You need USDT, which is a stable coin for the actual investment, and you need some BNB to cover the network fees. Step 3, you have to register using a referral link. And step 4, the final step, make that investment and, as they say, enjoy. Now, this next part is really important, and they make a big deal about it in the presentation, wallet compatibility. They specifically recommend using MetaMask, TokenPocket, or SafePal. And look at this. They give a very, very direct warning, literally in all caps, telling you not to use Trust Wallet. They say it just isn't supported. All right, before we wrap this up, let's take a look at what you might call the fine print. This slide lays out some really important terms about how this all works. Things like withdrawals, fees, the stuff you really need to be aware of. So let's break down the key points here. The minimum you can withdraw is just $5. Every single time you withdraw, there's a 5% protocol deduction, basically a fee. The investment cycle is always a fixed 30 days. And this last one is interesting. Your initial investment, your principal, is described as eligible to be returned after the 30 days, subject to rules. That phrasing is definitely something to pay attention to. And really, all of this brings us to one big central question. Whenever you see a platform promising a daily return of 3.33%, just think about what that is on a yearly basis. It's astronomical. What does that promise really imply about the potential risks involved? That's the question we'll leave you with. Thanks for walking through this with us.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again for those who joined in the meantime. So yes, she left us there with a question, what is the risks? It always is, you need to understand the risk before you invest. But let me make one thing clear first. I am not a financial advisor, and this material is only for educational purposes only, and no financial advice is given in this. Crypto involvement or any investment or rewards-based program in crypto carries an inherent risk automatically because of market conditions and conditions outside our own control. Right, so, and then you also have the risk of the internet completely shutting down. But the chances of that happening is very, very slim. Right, if that does happen, I think we will have other things to worry about. Right, so never ever participate with funds you cannot afford to lose, and always remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Right, let's break down this in a little bit more detail. So I'm not going to go into the PDF exactly this is what I took out of there to explain it more better for you. Take note, Crypto Fortune is not a trading platform. It's not a traditional investment platform or company. It's not a company. There's no buying and selling of stocks or any commodities or anything like that, like in traditional financial platforms or programs. Right? No funds are generated from external activities or sources, and it is not the custodian of any of the funds. Right? No single person is in control of your funds here. It's not a company that manages the clients or the members' funds. It is an ownership-free smart contract which is 100% decentralized. Right, so let me just enlarge this a bit. Crypto Fortune is a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol managed by an immutable smart contract. That means an unchangeable smart contract. No one can change the codes of a smart contract, of which the ownership has been renounced. Right, that means they basically took the keys and they threw it away. No one can come back and make any changes or alterations or manipulate the system. Right, and it's not website based. They cannot shut down the website. We're only using the decentralized applications website to interact with the smart contract to make it easier for us to do our daily reinvestments and claiming of ROI on the website. You can also do that on the smart contract, but it's much easier, obviously, to do it on your user interface in your decentralized browser. And the users are participating in the protocol and receive rewards for participating. So if you participate, you'll be rewarded. That's the business model here, as you saw in that first video. All right, so they're using the model of rotation of funds to generate the 3.33% on a daily basis. Because many people think the first thing they hear, and I was the same. I was very skeptical when I saw this in the first day. I said no to this, because it's impossible. And we've been involved in a similar thing previously, and that turned out to be a rug pull where the owners ran away or they withdrew the funds, they stole the funds, and no one had any control of it. In this Crypto Fortune, it's totally different. The keys have been thrown away. There's no ownership that or creator that can come back and make any change to the smart contract code. And it's purely based on the participating of the users into this smart contract, into this protocol, right? By using the business model of rotation of money in a peer-to-peer DeFi centralized or decentralized protocol, using the smart contract that manages each and every transaction, right? And again, Crypto Fortune is not a trading company. There's nothing to do with trading. You hear 3.33% on a daily basis, you think it's unbelievable, it's impossible. But it's not trading, it's totally different. It's not a traditional platform. There's no buying and selling of stocks or commodities. I've explained this already. It's totally ownership free. We as the community, the users, are the co-owners of this platform. Right? It is a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol. This is very important to understand. And all right, this is for the presentation purposes, just the outlines. What is Crypto Fortune? It's a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol built on the BNB smart chain. Take note, you don't have to have any knowledge of blockchain or smart contracts or cryptocurrencies or financial knowledge to be part of this protocol. Everything will be explained to you by your team members as well, and the support is in the community. There's no central support office or management group. It's managed entirely by the immutable smart contract. The ownership has been renounced, and I will prove that to you as well. Right? It's automated and it's non-custodial. The users retain funds of their funds. The funds are being locked or staked in the smart contract for 30 days, cycles of 30 days, and no one can change that. So your deposits are staked in the smart contract for a 30-day period, and on day 30 it gets released, and then you must make the choice. Do you reinvest, or do you carry on, or do you withdraw? So you decide what you want to do then. Then the official contract address ends, and this is very important. There are many copycat sites out already. It ends with 05BF2. always verify the smart contract on the blockchain itself, and there is the address. Right, and now let's look at the core features of this protocol. It's immutable and it's automated execution. Only thing that you have to do manually is to register and to claim your daily ROI and also to reinvest if you choose to do that. Right, so immutable, once again, the word meaning unchangeable. No one can make changes to it. The code runs exactly as it is being deployed, and there's no administrative intervention, no human intervention there. Right, so think of it as explained in this video, as well as a robot just manually doing everything. It will execute according to the code that is being given. Right, and no one can make any changes to it. So non-custodial design, your keys, your funds. Please make sure that you write down your 12-word seed phrase when you do register on this smart contract, or when you do register a SafePal wallet, and we do recommend using SafePal only. It's the most user-friendly wallet at the moment. Right, however, you can use any wallet that you are comfortable with, and do not use Trust Wallet for this platform. Right, it's not an issue with the platform. The issue is with Trust Wallet itself. It rejects the connection now. Right, so SafePal or Token Pocket or even MetaMask, but SafePal is the most user-friendly one. Right, and then there's a third-party audit has been done already, and it's being monitored 24/7 by Hayes Crypto Securities. Right, and we will look at that as well. Right, so participation rewards. It's tied to the active pool involvement via the smart contract logic. And once again, members are participating in this protocol and they are getting rewarded for their participation. How do you participate in this platform? You deposit your funds and you stake it for 30 days. You also reinvest and you have the choice. Please note this, you have the choice to refer other people or not. Some people are very good at creating teams and huge teams and referring others. Other people, they just don't want to do that. And up to you what you want to do. And then you get the investors that they will come in with a huge sum of money, and they just want to receive their income. Right, you can also do that. And you basically stake your money for 30 days, and after 30 days, the principal amount or deposit gets released again. And then you must make the choice to either withdraw that funds or to reinvest it again, because you will basically double it in 30 days. Right, it will give you 99.9% increase for that 30 days. There is a 5% withdrawal fee for all withdrawals. Right, the minimum reinvestment is $5. Minimum withdrawal is also $5. And we work on the Binance Smart Chain Network. So you will need BNB, BEP20, gas fees about $1 to $2. But and then we also getting paid, and we deposit with USDT BEP20. Right, there's also lots of videos and information out already for everything, from your registration, from downloading your wallet, setting it up, adding the right and the correct coins, doing the deposits, swapping the coins, doing the registration. Everything there is videos available for that as well, and even hands-on assistance also. All right, the execution of this, as we said, the rewards are compound based on participation, and all cycles are locked for 30 days. Every reinvestment or investment, new money or reinvestment, every cycle is 30 days long, and it only lasts for 30 days. Then it is released back to you again. Right, so the execution is done by immutable code which ensures automatic distribution, as long as the liquidity or the participation in the platform continues. So what can stop this? And I must be upfront with you and very honest and transparent. There's basically two things that can stop this. And that is if the internet collapses totally, which is very, very minimal, or the chance of that happening. And as I said, if that does happen, I think we will have other things to worry about. Right? And then the other reason is if there's complete non-participation from the members. And how do you participate? You deposit funds, or you reinvest, or you refer other members as well and share this good news with them. So currently on the market, there is no other product or service or anything that is giving you 3.33% every 24 hours and basically doubling your funds in 30 days. So that is the product, and I do not know of anybody that will say no to that, because we are seeing what the costs is in daily living, the rising of costs, everything gets expensive. And this is the perfect way for you to overcome that, right? Even if you do not want to refer other people, if you want to refer other people, you're going to just make much more money. That is the long and the short of that up front, and I'm very honest and open with you about that. Nothing is hidden here. Everything is transparent. Now let's look at the critical note. There is no guarantees, right? It depends entirely on the ongoing pool activity and the market conditions, what I just explained. So the question you have to ask yourself, how long do you want to double your funds each and every 30 days? That's the main question, and we know what the answer is. Right? Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm just educating you on the use of the platform and how it functions. So if you look at the product, and the demand for the product will always be there. It's to 2x your funds in 30 days. So when that demand will stop, then there's no reason for people to carry on here. And the demand will never stop, because there's always a demand for more funds, for daily living, for anything. Right? Then there's anti-whale and liquidity protection also built into this smart contract to protect it from members manipulating the smart contract and just dumping a lot of funds and trying to suck out and the smart contract liquidity in a short space of time. Right? Because we don't want to just be here for a month or 45 days or 46 days. We will continue for months and years to come. Right? So there's phases that you can come in with, and each one is capped. Your first 30 days is always capped at $500 for new users. So if you register a new account or new position, you are capped on $500 deposit from outside. From inside the platform, you can reinvest more. But from outside, you will be capped on $500. We have tried this. It is the smart contract code does not let you invest more or deposit more than $500. All right. So also, and if you have built your deposit up to, let's say, $480, you cannot deposit $50. You can only deposit the difference up to $500. So you will only be able to put $20, and above that, you will be able to reinvest from inside the platform, from your return, your rewards that you receive. And also the ROI is rewards on investment. It's not return on investment. Or they just named it that way for people to understand it, but it's not a traditional investment platform. Right? And then after your 30 days are completed, it will be released back to you. You must make a choice. You withdraw the funds, and you've finished. You double your money now. You're happy. You withdraw the funds. Or you reinvest it back and play with the profit, or you reinvest the whole amount once again for another 30 days. But now you can increase your limit of your deposit to $2,000 for the next 30 days. Right? After your second 30 days has expired, you will receive your principal amount again, and then you will be able to invest or deposit up to $5,000 for that specific position. Remember, you cannot open another position. The position that is registered on the smart contract is eligible for upgrade to the next cycle. Right, so the goal is to prevent the dominance by large players of this anti-whale mechanism and to encourage a balanced participation. And on that note, this is a community-driven platform or protocol, and we are responsible to look after that. It's a golden hen, or a hen laying golden eggs, and we need to look after this. if people are going to manipulate the system, then it will die very, very soon. So we do not want to kill this in a very short time, and it's all depending on ourselves and how we're going to manage it. But for you, as long as the demand is there, the demand will always be there. There's no reason for it not to carry on for a very, very long time. Because the demand to 2x your funds every 30 days will always be there. I'm going to mute everyone. So yes, that is it. And this is what is protecting the funds in the liquidity pool. It's this anti-whale mechanism. So your first 30 days you can invest or deposit from $10 to $500. But take note, if you deposit $10, you will not be eligible to receive bonuses if you receive them. Right, so start at $20. But the ideal way to start or place to start is between $200 and $500. Right, you can put that in the system for 30 days. After 30 days, you can withdraw your principal amount and then just put back the profit or let that keep working for you in the system for another couple of months. Right, then your second cycle is up to $2,000, and your third cycle you'll be able to deposit up to $5,000. Now, understanding the risks, there is a high volatility and a potential total loss because of the crypto markets, and it's totally out of our hands. Right, although we are getting paid in a stable coin pegged to the United States dollar, it always has some risk involved as well. Right, so the smart contract vulnerabilities is if the internet collapses completely, nobody will be able to work on the smart contract or in the protocol, and nobody will be able to participate. Right, but the smart contract itself is flawless in its operation. As we said, no one can make changes to it. As long as there's an internet connection, it will operate and execute the codes exactly as it was coded to do. And then there's the liquidity and the sustainability risk. The rewards rely on continuous participation and it can slow or it can even stop. But as I said, the demand will always be there, so there's no reason why members or users will want to stop. Right, we have seen that this is a very lucrative smart contract. Members have withdrawn huge amounts of funds already, and I will take you there very shortly. So members are getting paid, and that's the main question I know is on your mind. Can I withdraw my money? Yes, you can, and many of us have withdrawn it already, and I will show you the proof now. Right, so always remember that nothing in the crypto and in life in general is risk-free or guaranteed. Only thing that's guaranteed is we're all going to die. Right, so, but if you compare it with any other product, and let's compare apples to apples. If you compare Crypto Fortune to any other product, Crypto Fortune far outperforms any other platform, product, or program in the market, right? Then there's also the third-party verification, and I see our time is running out. Take note of the website is cryptofortune.live, but I want to take you, it's not .co because there's already copycat sites out there already. I want to take you to the smart contract and show you there exactly. I hope I'm going to do this right. Let me go there. All right, this is the transaction where the ownership has been renounced. This is the proof of this. You can see that it was renounced 47 days ago when this platform was launched on the 6th of January, 8 o'clock in the morning, Great Britain time. This smart contract was renounced, and here is the smart contract ending of 05BX2. And we're going to go there. Right, and you can see it currently it's 05BX2, and the liquidity pool is currently sitting at $1.47 million. All right, you can check there's lots of activity here, and here's the proof of withdrawal. All right, you can see withdrawals, claim ROI, members are claiming, they are withdrawing network rewards, withdrawing ROI, their daily ROI, they are reinvesting, they are scamming. So there is the proof. Remember, this is blockchain-based smart contract. This will go to your wallet, and from your wallet, you will send the funds to your exchange wallet, change it for your country's currency, for rand or dollar or pounds or whatever, euro, whatever country you are in that country's currency, and then you will send it to your bank. So there's no issues with withdrawals, and there's no middleman involved there. There's only the 5% withdrawal fee that is mentioned. Now let's go to the Ace Crypto Security. I just want to get there. All right, here is the website of Crypto Fortune. Take note, it's cryptofortune.live. If you go to the cryptofortune.co, it will look exactly the same, and you will not know the difference. Right, so here it's immutable. Here's the current contract balance, $1.4 million. 50,000 users registered already here. Let's look at the live numbers on the smart contract. You can get it here on the contract section. Now here is the codes that is managing this smart contract. You don't have to know them. This is just for interest sake. These codes are managing the smart contract and everything in it. And no one can make any changes to this. Right, so you can come and play along here. You won't be able to change anything or break anything. Let's go to the read section of this contract. And here also you can see that the admin is 0. It's a dead address. There's nobody there. Right, we scroll down to total registers, 50,519. Right, that is the 50,519. And where did we see that other figure? So there's 21. So 2 basically came up there. Right, here you can find the smart contract address. You can click on it, you can copy it, you can click on it. The creator's address has been given, right, where this contract was launched from or deployed from. Right, so that is basically this. Let me just take you to the Ace Crypto Securities. So this is an independent third-party auditing platform, and they have audited Crypto Fortune since day one. You can see a 50,376 that they have got here at the moment. $8.7 million have been deposited since the 6th of January. 7.2 million have been withdrawn. So it's a very active and healthy smart contract. And here you can see it's an increase in the number of users. There is a constant money that comes in and also that goes out. So we know that it is month end, so many members are making use of that to withdraw the funds. And here you can see the liquidity pool. It will always go up and down. Let's look at the all stats since the start of this platform. Let's just have a look, wait for it to update. Okay, and there you can see many people said it will not last 30 days, but on day 30, it was the 5th of January. It was actually a spike in deposits, and then there was a couple of more records. Now we can see there was the major record, and also people started withdrawing more money. So that is normal, but we need to look after this and not loot the system. That is basically what it is. If you participate, you get rewarded. That is the main thing. The security, everything is in here. You can see it was deployed on the 5th of January, officially launched on the 6th of January, and that's when the ownership was announced on the 6th of January. They do warn you of it's a high risk because it's a ROI platform, or they see it as a type of investment because there's returns or rewards that you are earning from your deposits. And they are very clear and transparent about it. They tell you upfront there is a high risk issue, but that is like in any other investment or any other program that you are considered in joining. Must be considered high risk. So yes. Then there's also the 5% deposit fee that you do not pay. There's a claim principal fee at the end of your 30 days is 5%, and when you withdraw ROI or network rewards, there's a 5% withdrawal fee. The minimum deposit is $10, and you receive 3.33% every 24 hours for a duration of 30 days. There's the 3 cycles involved, right? And then they explain everything, the compensation plan, which I'm not going to go into detail now because of lack of time. We only have 2 minutes left. And here is the renounced ownership contract or the transaction hash. It will take you there. Let's go, where is that calculator? To the daily compound calculator. I'm going to show you how you can become risk-free in 30 days only. So we're on daily compounding. If you come in with a maximum of $500 US and you receive 3.33% on a daily basis for 30 days only, which is the maximum or the mandatory cycle or days, you will receive 1335 at the end of 30 days. Your profit will be 835. So each day you will receive 16.65. That's on your first day you will receive 16.65. Now, the second day you will be earning 3.33% on 516. And it will just compound each and every day if you reinvest all your funds every day. And leave it there for 30 days. Now on day 30, come on. On day 30, what do? You withdraw your funds of 500 because that's what you started with. You are in profit with $835. That is more than you came in with. That is if you reinvest each and every day for 30 days. If you're not going to reinvest, you're just going to double your money basically to $1,000. But you will still make your principal back. Now let's look if you leave the profit there now. 835 with 3.33%. Only for another 30 days, it's going to give you profit of 1,396. And you only use the profit. That's your second month now in India. Remember now, your second month, you can just leave it. It's already in the system because you reinvested this. So yes, that is how you can increase your funds and become risk-free in 30 days. Let's see if you leave it for another 30 days. It will give you $5,000 profit only. You started with 500, you're already risk-free. You took your 500 back and you leave it there. You're playing with the profit or the house money basically. All right, is this working? Yes, it is. All right, I see we're almost at the end of our meeting. So please get back to the person that invited you, and I thank you very much for your time. If there's anyone that has questions, please reach out to us. Ladies and gentlemen, bye-bye.